akusafojwa mfethu fanele ukuthi sikhuluma into zakudala sekuyitoni nje yabo waba eliminating machine makathenga eliminating machine besenzela uSimpiwe like statistics yaSimpiwe isithombe sakhe uyahamba uSimpiwe Mdumbi uyenza ikhadi elimbhali liyabuya malibuya sisibhedlela isikela uthini keep plastic sisithombe sakaSimpiwe sesifaka uthanda and paste besithenga nama plastic card sifake silenza manje fika Saturday baba ngathi lakudala baba maziya lapha elayini nje yawena soSimpiwe nje and angeke ubuye umbuze negama umbuze nani uye umuntu lo and nemathi abheka I think ukuyithi dialing there was a time sokuyithi kuphela siyenzayo lento leyo lapho mfethu besikhona ukuthi mana bese no opponent etough lezo school alo akayihle lo asimenzele for this weekend susuke ku reaching azovela kanti besiyenza lento leyo but manje cheating ayisekho mfethu yabo mina ngathi after boma besi futhi ukhuluma iqiniso besiyenza sonke
wonke la ukho
besiyenza sonke mfethu hayi ukuthi ngiyaba expose or kanjani niyazi ukuthi men's play besiyenza sonke mofike kahle umeyicall mofike force lobuku beyicall until ba introduce myself ba introduce myself that way sithi cheating ayiphele manje hayi bese
mawucabanga ukuthi phelile cheating
ayiphelanga in the big stage in the big stages ayiphelanga because bashaya forgery straight ngepassport straight home affairs abantu abanemali basayenza I think but sakho nesibelivela kuphi kuyakutalent especially basene senior that's where sengikhona ukubona ukuthi mose ngiyacompete ke intwana encane what's the isdingo sokuthi ngiyoforge phansi bese ngasaforge lapho sengikhona ukususa ku AC under 15 bawudlala ku senior team basheshe bakhulu
yeah
basheshe bakhulu